Hello, welcome to Renew Tool and Supply. My name is Dennis, and today I want to show you a brand new tool to the market. It's by Stanley Engineered Fastening, and it's a battery-operated speed fastening tool. It's an updated version of the older 07537 tool, which is pneumatically operated. Nice thing with this one, it is backwards compatible on the front end parts. Your nose jaws, cursor, mandrels, everything fit the same as they did on the old tool. The new one does have a longer barrel, so you can get into some tighter places. It has cushion grip, standard DeWalt cushion grip, and a quick release tail jaw that we'll get into here in a minute. But it does have a brushless DC motor, and there's a ball screw drive, and a battery can either be the 2.0 amp hour or the 4.0 amp hour battery, and it's really well balanced. It does have a soft grip selector switch for locking the tool, putting it into operation, normal operation, or to reload or unload. The biggest thing for this is keeping it clean. All the air vents here, here, and in the back, that's basically in the daily servicing. For the weekly servicing, we recommend removing the tail jaws, and then you open this up, and the jaws in here, unlike the jaws in this tool, do not require grease. So you can be just inspected for wear and then reinstalled into the tool. This tool is approximately 6 ounces heavier than the old one, but when you take out into account that it doesn't have an air hose that you need to drag around, it's much easier. You can go almost anywhere and not worry about it. A tripping hazard for one thing. I would like to show you how this one operates. Well, I'll put the tail jaws back in. The thing is, there's a dovetail on here that you've got to fit into a dovetail in here. There we go. To load it, what we'll do is we'll run this back. It gets the tail jaws opened up. That's the one thing to talk about, is the cursor that helps move the mandrel forward. You can put it in incorrectly. This springy part of the cursor needs to go forward. If you inadvertently put it in backwards, you have to remove the tail jaw cartridge and try and run a thin wire down through it to push it out. So I wouldn't recommend putting it in backwards. So we'll put that on, put nose jaws on. Push that back until it stops. Run the barrel back forward, and then close the nose jaws, and then you're ready to fire. You can go over here. That's the general operation of the tool. It does have a printed circuit in it that we can put on a tool reader to tell if there's something wrong, if you send it in for repair. I'd like to thank you for watching. My name again is Dennis with Renew Tool and Supply. Please subscribe, give a thumbs up, and if you have any questions, leave a comment down below. But we'll look forward to seeing you the next time.